Hi everyone, this is Worthy Wise. Thank you for watching this video, and today I just want to bring an alert on a Ponzi scheme, FUD Football. But before I continue, watch this.
They are using gaming activities to recruit members in a promise of whoever you recruit and you bet, you going to earn money. The other thing, they made it conditional that you must bet every day for you not to lose your money. So it's not anywhere. Even our licensed companies cannot offer such. You can't be conditioned to bet every day so that you don't lose money. So,
Well, with that said, you have heard. But this video is not about BLQ football. It's about FUD football. And this is something that keeps on going on and on from country to country. It's the same people, the same scammers who just group up and come up with this company which is not even registered, although they claim on their websites that they are registered. But this video will walk you through the red flags and what you need to look at in consideration for your investment, for the safety of your investment. We will analyze why FUD Football is not a betting platform and it is not an investment platform. So it is neither in those two categories. So just hang on tight on this video and watch it until the end, and I'll be able to guide you through. So firstly, how do you identify an online scam? Identifying an online scam can be very challenging, but there are certain signs and red flags to watch out for. Firstly, there are suspicious emails or messages that you'll be able to receive asking for personal details. But in the case of FUD, they are not using that method. They are not sending you messages to entice you to invest. They are using people. So it is a platform that you cannot join unless you have someone referring you to the same platform. So you join by referral link, and that's quite a red flag. Number two, the poorly designed websites or emails. So you need to pay attention to the quality of website and emails. I design websites, and I know from the onset when I opened FUD Football, or the website itself was a red flag. I've seen a lot of websites like from Workminds, from all these other scams that have come from the past 5 years. I've noticed one thing. If the quality is so good, I pay attention to the text, because a serious company will not post anything, will not share any information that has grammatical or spelling errors on their website. So the quality of content on the website or information is a very serious red flag. Number three, they are too good to be true offers, and if an offer seems to be too good to be true, it is probably a scam. And scammers often use enticing offers to lure victims into their traps, and you need to exercise caution when you encounter extremely low prices and unbelievable discounts or promises of easy money. So with FUD, for those that may not be aware, when you register an account, you deposit your money there. You are supposed to bet on some games. So they claim that you are betting there, but it is not a betting platform. You see, if it's a betting platform, it would be registered with a registration number given by the Ministry of Tourism. So whoever is a registered company, a betting company in Zambia. They have a registration number. Betway has a registration number. BolaBet, BWIN, 1xBet, all these companies that are operating in Zambia, they have registered with the Ministry of Tourism. And any investment company that asks you to invest money there with an assurance of getting huge profits, they need to register with the Securities and Exchange Commission, which is the regulator in this space. So there is all those gaps. They are in between. So they are claiming they are not an investment platform, but they are also not a betting platform. So they are in between. So that's a very serious red flag that you need to pay attention to. The fourth caution or sign is they request for immediate action. Now, scammers usually create a sense of urgency and pressure for you to act quickly without giving you enough time to think, because they know that what they are offering is their interest is for you to take action. So they create urgent call to actions for you to invest your money. And that's why you hear anyone that registers you on FUD will be pushing you to deposit, because that's the idea. It's a community-based investment platform where they are using people to entice you to invest and start earning profits. Number 5 is the unsecure payment methods. Usually, like with FUD, it is very, very clear. You cannot deposit money directly into the platform or withdraw from the platform. And it is similar to what was happening with work mines. For those that are aware about work mines, you can attest to this, that there was a situation where when you deposit, someone has to send you money, and when you withdraw, someone has to send you money from the community. And depositing, you have to send to someone money. It also happens to Zamfund. And those are red flags already. Why are we not just able to deposit directly into this platform? If I pay directly to this platform, I need to get directly from this platform, from the system, not from somebody who has money in Airtel money who needs to deposit, then they send to me. It means that if this platform shuts down, I have no one to run to, because they are not registered with any of the payment systems in Zambia. So because they are not registered with PACRA or any other institution, they may be registered with PACRA, but they may not have licenses to operate in this space. Number 6, the lack of contact information or contact support. So legitimate businesses typically provide multiple ways to contact them, including phone numbers, email addresses, and physical addresses. But there is a gray area on how you can contact FUD Football. You have to contact them through the person that referred you, or through a chat which is not also hosted on FUD.cc. It is hosted somewhere else, just a separate chatting platform that they use. As you can see, the link opens on another server. So they can claim to use that platform, because but people who are not here to stay are always using temporal services. So number 7, you can you can also notice them by looking at, they have negative online reviews. And as you can see from the reviews, you can already see that people are beginning to write and notice these things, because when it came and when it was growing, people are not noticing. Now that a lot of people have joined, they are beginning to notice the red flags of FUD. And number 8, the last one, you need to trust your instincts. If something feels off or raises suspicion, trust your instincts. But the biggest thing about FUD football is that when you log in, when you are depositing, but when you've deposited money, you've set up your account, and now you are ready to stake your amount. So whatever you have in your account, on your account, you need to bet it. If the bet loses, you will be refunded, but they will tell you which game to bet on. And so you bet 7%, or 3% is the usual. Like whoever has put in like 1,000 kwacha will be getting like 30 kwacha per day. And it looks okay until you really analyze the situation. If we are dealing with betting, that's a very low amount, because it's like an odd of 1.03, and you will likely not find such an odd on any game. So they are using people's money to make more money eventually. So people have deposited a lot of money, like 8,000, 5,000, 20,000, 50,000 and more, and they are making like maybe it looks okay, like to make something like 30 kwacha to all the way up to 5,000-6,000 kwacha per day. But look at the amount that you've invested in there. And if you request for a withdrawal, you are not going to have your money instantly. Like now, you have to wait until somebody has the money to send to you. The other one, just like Zamfund, you receive your, if you are withdrawing your 20,000, you need like 3 or 4 people to send to you. Or if there is someone who's if you are lucky that day someone wants to deposit a huge amount, they will send it to you. So ideally, that's what I do not like about this. There are so many red flags. So also technically, looking at FUD.cc, when you check Facebook, when you check social media, they hardly have a presence there. And you can always see why this is not a genuine platform. And so this is just an alert, take it or leave it. Between 10th June and 10th August, watch this platform. I'm just telling you this, watch this platform. If it really pushes itself, it will get to 20th October. If it really pushes and tries to hang on, like prove that they are not a scam, they will go up to 20th October. Because even BLQ Football in Uganda did the same. Thank you very much for watching this video and for hanging around for this long. Remember, I always give you trustworthy news. I always give you hints and alerts that will help you manage your investment. So I'm giving you information from 2 backgrounds, being a financial analyst and being an IT expert. So you will take this advice the way you want, but please, my advice is take out your money. All the profits you've earned now, that's fine. Take out your money now and stay safe. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe to this channel. This is Weatherwise.